ebiro by'okubwatya nigo kuligirirwa n'ebigori byonsi.
Nentunde naende imeyomorobeli vwe Chigosori astwatalire ase ao imeya Kisii County imenyamira county na isiko yoro wangorwa Gusii okoletere emegano ao ya Bagosori buna bante gochaka ase Chigosori ao wekini na kwegendere limbakese bironge bilivye igoro baikire buna Bagosori tonyalire gukwanira chi team ao chienkoyo ne Chigosori ao buna chiachagete na kwegendere limbakali ase chire asenga kibuna ya bono lero niko torasegeti kia kiendege training ekukere ime ya Kitutu Masaba constituency ime ya county ya Nyamira asa tochigokwana ne timu emanye kaine mono ime na isiko yoro ngorwa Gusii emanye kaine vuna abana ba Shabana FC emanye kaine vuna slogan ya bego tebavuna etole bobe resegete ya kiendege ntwe manyina abantu ao be timu ya Shabana batevune timu ya tego chaka na kwegendera limbaka boni gasere ime ya National Super League NSL na lero igatugo cha komorobere to chaka ne team manager bwe timu ya Shabana FC na tebina kia koroku na inkikelia gokora ime timu ya Shabana mbia mono.
Thank you.
Ya abangi baro robatara kumanya mono iskaiga ayeningo na kikwanyete kwa nyora ime ya Shabana.
Asa malieta nkoroku Sani Elijah igonde ase timu ya una team manager na vaire Shabana kuruyanya the promotion that is 2018-2019 season the last 3 years. Initially narenge there before when I as a team ya waka Division 2 League ya Nyabururu Sportive. Then from there kwa hiyo gasara kwa hiyo koragari management ya Shabana kanga approach ikandeta se timu ya Shabana as a team manager. So for the past 3 seasons na veden kwa bagaiga kurune timu ya Nyalto kwa kanyara promotion mpaka boni.
Mende kwa gokerete sana ngana yo konyara kwa bane timu ikinete mono imero ngorwa Gusii imenyeka ine vuna Shabana FC ayekere kwa lego kinangi kiligwa nchete mono kere kwa lego igwe timu ya Shabana FC.
Okay na vere ngobwate timu ye kurunda na lengo mwana kurunda ngo kina kwa ne kurunda high school gocha na vere there before na lengeli shabiki nyuma ndaraso ase team na management ose asoko kana isema ngana ye team na kwa shughulikere team. Yeah.
With the experience kiao kwa le chi squad au che team ya Shabana FC. Shabana ile nkoro ya manyeka ine ya boniga. Boto vauti kia yoro che ime yaye buno montonyale kwa ba konye bwati asenga kietambe sana.
Okay. Chinga kishia rekurmaga timu ya vere ne bwati historia yaye yara rasiria Bagosori bachire nkuma isko ya Kenya na ala bange ba represent country ya Kenya. Mupiro change. Play squad to awatenga kilita liere bani football ngo ngire ko evolution ko evolve were so ne kire player bali to wata bani kire mutanale talented in his own way there are so many factors here in between umupira wana chale tuna kare umupira ngo ko ngwe sanjale ngo bona ikirenga plus wakanu chibe so there are so many factors change from the current the previous squads that have been in the team na boniga. Yeah, but the talent in error, so that is why we are accepting change and recruiting the talents. Chitoro chenganchi promote timu yego chaseke wange kenga Premier League.
Na kwa yote babuna atiomo pira ngwe volvere gusengo chinchole ne chingaki wanya kora maka Shabana gya kwenda ise kwenda maka ise Division 1 ekaruya NSL kwenda Division 1 astenga kilingi kalikia nyirete ro kwenda Division 1 na yavune shabiki bwe timu ya Shabana FC na kikwa igwete kere Shabana chita Division 1.
Okay, timu ya Rwete League in 2006. Then igacheka boka 2013.
Ya Rwete League iki.
Ya Rwete Premier League by kanda to nationwide by then. Nationwide League. Then ikere timu ya nyara promotion back again gocha kertu agete nationwide by then tukawa promoted gocha Premier League. Siasa ya so etoro ikawanga to qualify in the right way. Ikagera na team back to Division 1. Itu avete to participate ya season isato to mo chakanyara promotion back again to NSL. So there are so many things that have been happening. Chagere timu teranyora promotion usikase kiwango kilieta kirecover une timu ene nase orogongo rwa Gusii na isiko ya Gusii.
Arinchira kiora kwandire ngano ya ubuteneri bwa Shabana FC.
Ngane ine trick yake lakini rende njibuna manyite buna nabeira se timu to cha blame wase management wase kero muntu wase arula se timu yachira se timu ngane choice yae. But rende asibali baro bisiboni gabatemire. There's no day team yanya kwa na newo ko bose yanya utia kwa na mupira because of the management. They have always given their best. Otherwise bali ko banga musengorile nti barange timu ya Kotrick ango yarule na neli. So management of the day ikatoa maskania ba they have called party aba na baro. Siasa nere goita chitimu chinyi. Taso mondaro chama gosa likago chatenga gaiga na iga instead bano mutanda kando kukwana useko koleta politics. So when you go to improve a team as a person, as a leader, just come in, tell us, do this and this and this, and then you can improve the team.
Ebune team manager use ATM o Shabana FC mobweta bagosoli ya vange mbale ngabale na nkiora kwandire gore squad Shabana ibwate.
Team ye kartwa cholete tu assemble the team most of the players vara no bagete game FC Leopards. Nadia season yalo chakala season to assemble a youthful squad, a mix it na some experienced players to arusti from outside abande bale ba kirichi league chine na ke Chigor to gacha to mix na bana selected from the surrounding to arusti abana ku Jets gaiga to arusti abana ku Nyabururu na each club chine Chesiko in the name of Gusii and ba ku represent the team. Bakalete bicha mu siasa team, so tukaba a chance na babulende tinaba no bakire team ase kiribone
bana bange barongorwa Gusii babwate erange limu na lituke limo banyale kwa kire team emanyika ina Gusii mono ya Shabana FC sabana le bwate talanta yo bwaki enkoyo inkini mokoli libuna management mwate boyo no mwaki omuya uranyale goso ime ya Shabana.
Okay, mangana mpira na bwata mangana mange ana banta bange mbabu mpira toli ko magali mocha ka konywaka kera to selected player echa go feature ga toli ko ligereri kabira toli ko ligereri mia ka ngoligeri tole kero weta ndiri 16 years plus na lioko valid wa keli ko ligereri tole skill level Oligeri tole talent how usinonya algo blend usinonya algo kopna denini gaiga so bara bange ba kukwana mangana mange ngakarto ko selection bara tole bias to ko sabe chibesa nduntuanya ko play and besa ngache to register umukiorio ne talent yao ne rera ko liba go chwa ko mpira gaiga lakini ngwana na tole liba to ko we give you time ke watch to ko veke geti wetete ronyo ko nyale chance yo to join well and good. To konyaranga no lensa ka to denga kora maybe we have given you another time mechiti munchira chirelo in like division 1 division 2 or county league you can play, you know, when you play and then you get maturity to go makalima ngocha work in the top level because the league to compete is the most competitive league in the current football history of Kenya, the NSL. So ntoliko gambo when we are doing selection we just pick the players we feel they are right to represent the team. We want to be quite careful when you're doing the selection. But in going to a chance, if we feel you are up there, that is where to have a chance. Almost 15 from the surrounding. But it's equal to the task.
Mwancho moriria oyune Elijah oyore team manager kwa team ya Shabana FC oyandete gote rabuna habane ba Gusii babwati excuse babwate libagari ya bene ukonyara gosese team ao imeyora ngorwa Gusii na gokine byo wabirinya saya baire byo bwaki bwenkoyo kwenda abange batorite boniye bakubulyo na Shabana ye batebire nkwana na barama bagamba ka trials kayibona baranyare ko banyora gosenkera kibiranyare ko bayikera erinde banyare koroke byo babiri babwate
esa gotoka nto bwate chance yo kurangalia trial we put it on radio abakero montama ngai tukogete ngoligere tole players of course into chitobe keli tukelio bantu mbatanga tu selected players in by chance na india karato kurangalia bantu yandu badi ku bisa chinsana ni batanga timu ya selected tu alengo kero mwarangalia gunju Like last time into Arangeti trial Cardinal, there's no other players but to send 10. From 10 I don't know what you want, or what you're looking at. Because of the level that we are competing at. So we encourage and call ekero gente kia bekirwa sembe otigabantu bakoraki banyara gocha asibate biri n'ekiza kiri batebi toba chance betete asegeti tali azumun mwanche muri tente gatabiguna Elijah unatikera bakorangeri twas wachigure mwanyara gweso kese kinamba kiri chaigoro onyoko bwateke wakyo bwakigo mupira kwa manyanka itwa sigo chikova weso kiri ndonyale konyora ribaga kurinde tubake siasa nyingi skaiga na ntoli gukora bikoro bire bya bene asobwe kyo bwenkoyo ndonyore kitore asabe natubona Ndizi TV ntone kibuna kere baranyara gutwara twas bagukitangaza unyale kore gukitangaza tulirinda abagusiya bange banyale guchikera ono imya Shabana FC tolele bwa timu bwate squad yenene eyo konyara kogenderera nyunchira kimoja mwatumeka kwa baki usaba ko story baino omoki okoda utigara imya timu senga bange babwate chi family abande bagane tiebesa isa uli emopira neregasi yabo nyunchira kimoja tumeka kwene kibuna ngoba mole motivation isaine ilinde mbanyara kwe murungani. Okay, that is now on the managerial side. The current squad to what the players 30 players are now to register in the league. 5 players very youth, then the 25 players are senior, but then in Tunto consider youth and senior, we blend them. Can Montoya the chance you work on Pira and then I can watch to motivation and welfare players. I think as you are, and I know understand Team Pira, you are aware of what is happening in the current football of Kenya. The league sponsor Yore Betika, Chira Sakuru, and Chidi enough to sustain a team the whole season. Because like when you are playing a match away in Nairobi, you spend almost 100,000 shillings. You are playing at home, like now Shabana is not playing its matches at home because of our stadium. Meaning, you talk about first working maybe in Migori or Narok. When you go to play in Migori, you spend at least 65,000. Meaning, if the sponsor gives us 750,000, that is barely 7 matches, you're correct, or work away. So the 750,000 players expect from the same money, or you're correct, or buy at least something small. So, Bati President Bas, it is helping us in terms of movement and event, but the Bas and any time of event. So our management are doing a good, they are doing their best. Alicia Vanava in Nomotinho Kayavanya Rakenda, Alicia Montavaka and rent. So Mbanya kwenda ronchara pito na tenga lero, they have been sleeping angry. Kiria kego toka, it is always shared as a valley. Mancho Moria Tande Wateveguna, Elijah Yore team manager Shabana FC, Nati Obutinelli wa Shabana FC, Watemile Esevo Konyara, Ida Koena Kivuna etimi ya Shabana, Wakiri Chigosori Chonsi imea NSL, Asana Wata Yuna Timbanya Koena walkover and Yonsi. Ewo Kovan the remove take Minano, Kolende Sengencha management, Masni Wikagetigo Chiwake Gosoli. Vatemati Vatemile Sekilipa Konyara, Kona Kivuna Kwanda Vale Evitivia, Bionsi Pipivagana Koenda, Netime ya Shabana, Wakiri Chigosori Chonsi, Egukere again to Kiavene. Korende niko bagote abanyale bahise gutwara ugusira koro kuya manyale okora mono wetani sali esere elinde bai abaki babo omoki netimu yagenda lia century lia vene asa nchibesa chiri kwenanu chiri kuba isana boronge senge njama itaji nigara mange tetone ndo mutimo komoke igoto koirana ndokwandire igoro ya Shabana yabone iganka yere na guchimutu wahiga tororeki ime ya Shabana FC mbia mono.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakiro nikirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asorogonko bwogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go Tito TV na Smart TV Scania TV yao na boigo onchore video yao iguiko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli merunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu chikuburukane chirange nigwikira chiriuraganie. Boigo mbabwate sanitary wares echuchire chibakuli chichicho chisink nebinde binge mbabwate bintu byo gutumika gukora plumbing gusekubeke mifreji ya mache buna chipipe na boigo ni chitap mbabwate chichibot buna chiria cha chipsam na boigo MDF boigo mbabwate chitiles chiria chikwarwanse ase nyumba na chiria cha granite marbles batarire asiduka yabo ijira se nyumba ya old sansora building angenegete sinyekenene gechigari imeyumuchukisi gusoba kirisimi ase namba enoti sano na ibere eye mukianda inye isano enoti inye isano nemo Osmo Traders Limited customer satisfaction guaranteed. Ndizi TV obwansu bwomogusi
Tole bove eyune siro ye team ya Shabana FC ekumete imena isiko ya gusi ase njoba gwake nkweyo asere nchera ya bene ase sementangani tomanyira mange buna Shabana konyara gukora Chigosori chae au noboteneri bwaye buna bore bwa bene ase sema ya kabiri tonto kwandire buna Shabana enyenere na mbire ngo kigose birengera likie bwate bochimutu aiga ono Mr Elijah tole mukoba team ya gusi manyira kwimukyo mupiro gusi igoro mono sana njere kiranya leo kwanira abantu bagusigo saba gusiba bayirogosira ubuna ino team ya Shabana FC.
Okay, litangani ngwakira our management and fans shukrani nene because they have been the main pillar of the team. Kere timu achige musiko kere bwate besa ne kere tabwati ya babere bakwena no kobokase osoyo koboko mufuko na kwena nebesa ya bere utosira soko connection team ya chire ya kiro mupira isko players baragire considering the fact that we are playing all matches away ngwakira mbio monene sana
Nkiora ganyara kwa nregore ya avachio teri wase amashabiki agusia iga enjira banyare gusikira Shabana FC.
Fans baitongo itangani anengo bere ndimbia mono because team yero ne what fans have been lucky kwenda almost all matches Shabana every worker for the past 3 seasons. Kitinge yetu anya kwenda isko ya Kenya ntonyora mashabiki kale giti and in many stadiums fans baito bako babange kubwana na begeti kilitogochi
Ma fans a Shabana FC mwante otorigeri iskali tima cha kutegura timbi ya mona sengi mwanya reko basira esengi just everything ao banya koraba chotele bagwe soke sinamba chire igoro inyora nabakwenda guturikira ujumbe gose MSMS kubori bori ndelio spiora nyale kubori igoro ya Shabana FC wetiri nambe yoro chegweta abo inse yes skin yao kundi nimetaye buno mulire no matiri swali eri mulio kali okocha kwa bori kera lituko Shabana FC tuganye mbaka ririre mwanya reko so ime ya Kenya Premier League amashabiki abo tabaganyire mono sana tuganye mbaka liriri
mupira no gwata magana mange ase bali babera so mupira myake mingi mbama ite mupira no gwata magana mange maybe ngerega kegeta korekana kegere timu yakoreki iske ucha seta kere usko uchi so ngakia egento nate God this time is the best a team we na na bantu mo it is the most third followed team in the country after FC and Gor. We know ndoma ita se team we kwenda koba. We can't hide from that. We know where it's supposed to be. So we, as the technical bench of Shabana and management, we are trying where we can so that the team is go to the next level. Yeah. One again to us, fans wait to be patient, players are more. Let's go make team to ram. Definitely team na vego ikaseta kere which. Yeah.
Kobe timu ya temire mono sana sorongo rwa gusi nimaite abange bakoboli county government ya gusi gose ya Kisi county koba ero gusira kuri muganiti gose ngusira kiyanyarire koba bakisimo ikire boniga
when it comes to Magane county tino dagana kwa na mono because it's inge yale koba maybe akonyerete okay mbata konyete in terms of a stadium governor for the last 3 seasons available waive what you are supposed to pay at the stadium because initially stadium keroko and any stadium chibesa wakana chire more than 20,000 in any stadium. But ya gusiga iga now we the price that you are supposed to wakana at stadium. Then I think I also know that the governor played a major role in terms of Konyole bus. And again, he's also making the stadium for us. So that is what, as a county, because he's the senior of the county, that is what he has done for us. Manganandi financial support, wherever, timaitiaro ndoranyor, wachasetik. But rende bantumbale county mali, bago konye team in one or the other. Individuals, like the chief officer, he has played a key role in this, like this season, Mr. Rianga, and some. Yeah.
The county government ya temire ase konyara gose essentially ya bena nyarire ko baikirani kolende nimete mwato kugani kwa bere nubune timu wote pa county government gaki eso konyara kwaye gose se gutwara chinguru etokorereke na butura bebu ya bune timu nungo sabaki koli muroche county government kisa commenta na beko bakonya inubuna Shabana FC
abunda tebe as a county nero maitenero chibese konyora ni che serikali onye nchira kiri barato konye when county government, they can come in, I know. County never they locate their sports ministry nero. Even don't be valley allowed to go back to the community. Most of the teams here, like here in Kisi, we don't have so many teams that are playing at the top level. In Division 2, Division 1 and NSL. Like NSL, we have 2 teams. Division 1, we have again, Division 1 don't have a team. Division 2 I still think and I feel that they can do more. They can still do more than what they are doing now. So their roles, they know what is set aside for the local teams. Because I don't know the budget that is given. So let them come out. This team is not owned by any individual. This team is registered as a community club, the Omogosi Community Club. So siasa waweke kando, bakonya, mbatumia that as an excuse, let them come in and as a county, bakonya se bakonyara. I know they can help.
Mwanchumolero yune laje kunyara koru ogusaba kwa bene ase county government ya Kisi county nyare gosira amauga yiki timu auchia gusikiate mire ko ikaimea division 2 division 1 national super league nchiri nyinge yaba kusabuna ati county government nyare ko bakonya irinde amauga yanyarire gotema na koro kibuna nanyare gokina anyare gosicha ine tubune egesa kukyo mugusi tunyare gosuka mutu nimete bune timu bwate merchandise mubwate t-shirt mubwate bintu au makone ya mashabiki njara kibanya gusaba mashabiki naranya rego sire team financially erinde gwetera merchandise gwetera gochebiti erinde munyare konyora chibesa chia bene chusukie team mutu.
Okay, currently team ko nyere t-shirt for now again the team ko nyere t-shirt bintu arambira soka use wood na bikombe na bintu bako ndo nyere t-shirt no yochonia yoteneti na kusiga ko Simon Oriosa namba ya engo kayande naba ondoraga ni t-shirt ye team naba komurichi t-shirt njiroro cha Shabana mekon 1800
tore ime national super league among sano mongo ko in terms of finances, in terms of kwa kwanira, in terms of fatigue yo kwenda chi mochibunda tebe na modern coast kali ali Mombasa ego charo simonese chi team kulinde ndo tore ime COVID-19 chosoro chikoba chinyinge sana aye weakness kyo korra ime national super league chiobo tenelibwa national super league chiza korosi gubuya abacho kwanya team nchichiwa waka national super league chia ko bako soli gorobia.
Okay, mpiro Kenya no what the challenges not any league in the world it is second tier, that is now even in championship like in England what the championship, in Kenya we have the super league every league and in the sun so KPL chike mchiro less than the super league KPL to what team 18 one you got to what 10 and to what team 20 team 20 chike mu work season chike 38 here ko challenge, it brings fatigue to the players. And because teams are struggling financially, okonyora koresi be so kwa game away na waka it is also a challenge to many teams.
ayabune team manager go deal na technical aspect ya team ya Shabana ninjira kichabe namo cha mwatmagara mo kwa squad selection inki kelimo kori ko na kibuna bana ba innovons pitati onya na bali riba ga ngake mo gosenga kiende.
Okay, what we look at okay, when it comes to select this squad which work we look at first to get the player who is fit to play that match, player that were injury, mental strength my mind I set for the match, and to select the squad based on a week training. So mutana at 10 days training because of some issues talk about the squad. So to even don't make it. Are you ready? No, are you ready for the match? Are you fit? Psychologically, are you there for the match? So we look at so many aspects when it comes to selecting a player. And the current form, from the training, the feeling that this now player is ready for the match. That is how we do our selection. We don't do it on favor. We pick it purely on merit. Yeah.
Kope team manager eseme kwa birange myakene ime ya Shabana FC mboncho rikibwa bene kwanya lya kwara guse changes kwanya lokorora tebe ro witere deliver na irulu yoko tumekere team ya Shabana manyalire kwene ki guse ko initiate keneke ime ya team.
Okay, team management is the challenge. I think this is the most hardest role as a team. But I can say na so many vingi sana when it comes to football. I've met so many people. First, an achievement that I can say, we are doing team, ikawini kombe kia macho jade, team ikanyole bus at the stadium against the FC Leopards, and then in my time that I've been in the team, at least. Players have a chance that come from the surrounding, that represent now the name of the team. A chance to receive as a team. I think that is what I've done, and I've also done my part as a manager, ensuring the team plays all the matches, players' welfare is taken care of. So that is basically my role, administrative.
Nyasara gendra ukopeke sili bagero diobora yobuate. Ikira yoraga ni korra ime Shabana FC ase myake tani wocha.
Okay, obviously kero mondo ngotakale ko associated na David nene. Igonda gani team yaito ukugani kwa nengolinga a team enyale konyora promotion to the Premier League. That is my main ambition. Then from there I can say I've done my part. That is my only target. Nothing else. No, not money, not everything. Just I think we are back to where it belongs. Yeah. Promotion.
To chigokole rapi ingiro nyala kwa TV abagosori abakole tiboni gababwate egango yeri tukelimo banyale gwaka ime ya Kenya Premier League banyale gwaka ime ya League cha Africa na hata Europe ingiro nyala kwa TV abagosori bakole tiboni ga wetege taseni kekia Ndizi TV. Okay,
what happens players vital players you might know what there are some things chikoro structures the challenge when it comes to structures in football. We don't have academies. But rende kirengo muntu nabwate talent onyolire chance which is alias and don't see a chance you work compete in Shabana or any team that is playing in any league. Let them stay patient. Perfect alias vale bakole onya in Shabana ko ire chance, do your best. You make him okay and 11 now, then you that is where na nyole chance you go join the team now. So akira ko ire chance anywhere in any club. Just do your part as a player, improve the team, and make it shine or rise. Yeah.
Ingana yao yo mweli esaba gusiba kuri tiboniga na babali tikitaseni kia Ndizi TV. Ingana yao yo mweli esaba gusiba minto nereri.
Iwango te yaba gusiba ito nga Shabana ni yaba gusi. Mwaro sako yetogi. Support yeli muranyale kwa na nocha se team. Unalisha biki. Toko sawa manyana kwa na so that timu nyalo go cheleve now. Otherwise singo bakira mbanya na asali mwabere muto watsi myake yonse mwokumoyo ngaki itongo ikere. Yeah.
Mbuya mona searching kigwatwalire na ituna obasemi gwatoiro bonge igore timu yetu twanchite ya Shabana FC.
Thank you sir.
Omwancho muri nara mangetwe manire kurwega segetikia kiendege jet sasa timu ya Shabana FC ekokora amarigania ye gose trainings mutimeno vya National Super League. team manager tebiri muna timba bwa tugusaba asama tukagocha munyare korora Shabana FC ime ya Kenya Premier League abuno togoikera omweli bomoroberio bwe Chigosori inyurire tali nenkoro kwa Ndemo Steven okonyora chingaki ndoke captain 001.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakunikira ndekerene nagokurengera chibice chinkiya naboigo chinkeno nukukigima nabogotonyora asorogonko bwogusi niji kaunti chito etanaine buna kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nichisemo chinde chinyinge nigo gotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoder